Hey everyone, welcome back. In this tutorial, I'll compare workflow automation in Zendesk versus Freshdesk in 2026 to help you decide which is better. In Zendesk, workflow automation lives in triggers, automations, and macros. Triggers run instantly when a ticket is created or updated. Automations run on a schedule, like closing inactive tickets. Macros are one-click actions for agents. Zendesk's automation is highly flexible and supports complex conditions, but it has a steeper learning curve. In Freshdesk, automation is called workflow automators. You get two types: dispatcher rules that run before ticket assignment, and automation rules that run on conditions like priority or status. Freshdesk also offers supervisor rules for escalations and time-based actions. The interface is more visual and beginner-friendly, but advanced automations require higher tier plans. For ease of use, Freshdesk wins with simpler setup. For power and customization, Zendesk takes the lead. So, choose Zendesk if you need complex, enterprise-grade automations. Choose Freshdesk if you want a simpler, more affordable solution that still covers most needs. And that's it. Now you know which workflow automation fits your business. Like and subscribe for more quick tutorials.